everyone, I'm Tara and this is my 2011 BMW M3 hardtop convertible. Today I'll be replacing the kidney grills. I'm getting rid of these chrome ones and replacing it with matte black. Now I chose a matte black because the exterior trim around my windows was already matte black when I got the car and I wanted to match. Now I got these from eBay, so they were really cheap.
To access the grille, there are 4 screws to remove, and you can use a Torx screwdriver or an Allen key. There are 6 clips to unclip. Use a flathead screwdriver to push the tab down, then pinch the clip really hard with your fingers and pull the grille from the front. It's so much easier to push a new grille in.
Got the first one done. It was a little harder than I expected. My wrists are kind of hurting. Oh, I think I'm all cut up. But the style's kind of different. I like it a lot better. It was a little bit harder.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.